besties. This week's going to have to be to music because I've lost my voice a little bit, not because I'm sick, but because I partied a little bit too hard with family and got a little excited playing games and just really enjoying family this weekend. So I'm going to set most of this to music, but I will pop in and out just to explain a couple of things here and there. But for the most part, it'll be to music to save my voice. Was to have this be kind of showcased with lighthouses, and I really struggled with trying to fit everything here. I knew I wanted the lighthouses and I knew I wanted them in the display case, but I wasn't sure how to decorate the rest of the table and tie the sailor and the big lighthouse in. And so you'll see me point quite a bit and try to explain what I just said in a long-winded way. But that's what I'm trying to explain to you here. That's why you see my hands going. So overlook all of that and just know that this is going to turn into something really pretty in just a little bit. I didn't realize how much I talked with my hands. Basically, what I was trying to say is that I needed something in the middle to kind of join the sides, of the buffet table to kind of make it flow from one end to the other. And the lighthouse just wasn't working for me. And I really wanted something tall in the middle, and I wanted something that was natural. Like those tree branches are just beautiful and I love them. But it just wasn't working for me. And so I ended up switching it out with this base that you see here. So I did switch that out, and I really wanted to try and keep the sailor and the pigeons and the boats. I really wanted to try to keep that there, but spoiler alert, it didn't.